Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel Techno Elite. In this video, we will see the best IDE for C programming and C++ programming. And we will see the installation process step by step for C Free Professional 5. This is the one application we are going to install in our system. So this is the best C IDE ever, and we can write in this application C and C++ program and execute in a simple step. So let's start our installation process, and at last we will write a code in C program and execute in our system. So by using this application. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Techno Elite. So let's get started. Now we are in the desktop, so we are going to install this application C Free 5 with crack. This is the crack version, and we are going to install in this one and register by using a keygen, and it will be registered, and we can easily write C program and C++ program and execute it successfully with a professional all access. So let's get started. So just I am going to open my folder, and this is my folder where we can see the one folder inside this application. So C Free 5 with crack, we have just opened this one also, and this is the setup. C Free 5.0 Pro setup. This is the setup file. We have to install this setup. So I am going to double click on this one to start the installation process, and here asking for select the setup language. I am going to choose English and press OK button, and here again showing dialog box, welcome to the C Free 5.0 setup wizard, and here showing that click next to continue or cancel to exit setup. So I am going to install this one, so we have to click on next button. And here are the agreement, license agreement. So we have to accept this license agreement. If you want to read, you can read the agreement, and at last press next button to install the application. So here asking for the path where we have to install this one. This is the default path, so that's okay, and we have to click on next button. And here asking for the name of the application. So C Free 5 is the best one, it is by default, so I'm just going to turn next button. Here select additional task. We have to, if you want to create a shortcut for this application on desktop, then check the first one, create a desktop icon, check this box, and click on next button to install the C program. So ready to install. So I am going to press the install button to start the installation process of this application. So install button. It takes about 1 minute to install in our local system. So at last here showing that completing the C Free 5.0 setup wizard, and here you have to tick the launch C Free, so we can run directly on our first one. So I am going to launch C Free, so I have checked this one, and I am going to press finish button, and now it's opening C Free professional program, and this is the interface of C Free application. So here are some start dialog box. It is asking for if you want to open directly recent file. So here are the option, you have to select this one, and you can open directly. And if you want to create a new project, then click on the new project, or if you want to open the existing project, then click on open existing project, then you can click on existing project, and I am going to just selecting the new blank file. So I'll select this one, and it open in our local system. And if you see that it is registered or not, so you can see in the help box and in the register menu. So I'm just going to open this one. Here it's showing that you are using a copy of C Free with 30 days for evaluation period. You have 30 days left evaluation. So this is the for 30 days free trial, but we are going to register this one by using keygen. So for registering this one, first we have to open the application. Here the folder is Keygen C Free 5.0. So we have to open this one. Before opening the keygen.exe, we have to stop our Defender real-time protection off, so it did not detect that as a malware. So I'm just going to open this one, Windows Security Defender, and go on this one, virus and threat protection, and go on the virus and threat protection setting. Click on the manage setting, and here the real time protection you have to click on the off button, so that we can use it very easily and install it. So after this one, we have to open keygen.exe. Here is the name, email, and the key. So we have to copy first the name. I have copied the name, and go on cfree and copy here the username, and the next one we have our email address. So copy this email address and paste it in the email address box. And again we have a registration code. Here we have to copy this one and paste it in the registration code, and click on OK button. It will validate that verification. You must close and reopen CFree for verification of registration code. So the now code have been implemented, and it says that we have to reopen the application. So I am going to click on OK button, and now reopen the application. I am going to quit for this keygen. Here we have to quit for this application, and I have created shortcut for this application on desktop. So I am just going to open from here. So I am double click on this and it will open. So now I am clicking on the new blank file, and here on the help, if we click on the register menu, then it show you are registered user for CFree. Following is your information. It will register successfully, and now we are going to write a C program for printing hello world, and see how we can execute this program in this application. So I'm going to write the program as include stdio.h int main function printf hello world and slash for next line, slash n for next line. Now I am going to run this program. So we have to click on the play button, or you can press F5 to execute this program. So simply I am going to press the play button. So I have pressed the play button, and here is the output for this one, hello world. Press any key to continue, and if you press any key, then it will close the application. So if you have any problem, then don't hesitate to ask in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. That's all. Thank you guys. Bye bye.